Hello everyone, this is Fasir Rahman. Today we are going to discuss a problem on working capital management. Okay, the problem has given in this way. A Limited is into the retail business. You are advised to you are advised to project its working capital requirement from the following data. Annual sale is rupees 120 lakhs. Net profit on cost of sale is 25%. Average period allowed to debtor is 6 weeks. Average period allowed by creditors is 3 weeks. Average stock carried 8 weeks at 10% of contingencies. Again, as we have discussed in the format performa, we will be having what we need to do generally: current assets minus current liabilities. Okay, current asset minus current liability plus add contingency amount, contingency. So based upon this, we need to undergo. Under this, we can see what things will comes under current assets, what things will comes under current liabilities. Debtors, it will comes under current assets. This will comes under current liabilities. Stock will comes under current assets. This is CA. This is CL. This is CA. Okay, we will undergo for that. We will be discussing how to undergo for this. I will show you here. What I have explained is annual sale is rupees 120 lakhs and net sale is 25%. Net profit on cost of sale is 25%. What we need to do is, for this we need to undergo for the working notes. I will show you. First of all, working notes. How much the sale is? Sale is 1,20,000. Our profit is 25% of 1,20,000. Okay, that will be 30 lakhs. This cost of sale, to find out the cost of sale, is 1,20,000 minus 30,000, that will be 90,000. Oh, 90 lakhs, sorry, 90 lakhs. Over on this, it is to be okay, over on this itself we need to continue. We'll see what we need to do. Calculation of expected working capital requirement, statement of working capital requirement. This is a format. In this format you have to undergo particulars, amount, current assets. Okay, current assets, debtors for 6 weeks. As we have undergone for the working capital, under that we found it is 90 lakhs. Okay, cost of sale is 90 lakhs. So directly on that itself we are utilizing. Debtors has considered for the 6 weeks. 90 lakhs into 6 by 52. Why, from where this 52 has come is, in a particular year we will be having 52 weeks. Okay, 52 weeks. This thing is going to be divided. Okay, 9 lakhs multiplied with 6 divided by 52. Then we will be getting this. Then stocks for 8 weeks, 90 lakhs into 8 weeks divided by 52 weeks. We will be getting this amount. It is to be added. This amount will come, current assets amount. Then current liability, creditors for 3 weeks. Okay, 90 lakhs into 3 by 52 weeks. The amount will come like this. Now it has come as this one. We need to subtract this two, current assets and current liabilities. Okay, net working capital, A minus B, both the things are subtracted. Then we got this one, 19 lakh 3,846. It has come like this. Then we are adding 10% of contingencies. Over on this we have to find out 10%. Okay, over on this net working capital amount we have to find out 10%. We have to add that thing. Okay, 10 by 100, we got this one, we have written then total working capital required. As it has added over here, then it will become total working capital. In this way, you have to undergo for the problem. Thank you for watching.